Hi guys, welcome back to my diary. And if you're new here, in this space I talk about forex related stuffs, the mistakes that I've made, and most important, the lesson that I've learned along the way. So if you find this video very helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button, like the video, and let's grow together. Now today is a very interesting video because, as I promised, I want to teach you what is forex trading, especially for that person who have never even heard the term forex trading. Now I'm shooting with my phone, so excuse me if the phone is a bit shaking. But now for that person who has never heard the term forex simply means it is the exchange of one currency to another, and it is the most actively traded market in the world. Like every day, it is the most actively traded market in the world. Now when you come to forex market, these are the candles that you will see every day. Now this is a live market. This is euro USD, and use the 4 hours. It is a live market. Today is date 20. Today is date 20. I don't know if this one will show. Today is date 20. It is not showing, but oh, here, yes. Today is date 20, Wednesday date 20. So this is a live market, and I want to show you an example of what forex market it is. And when you enter into forex market, you have to understand we have an uptrend, a downtrend, and a consolidating market. Now let me draw for you. When I mean an uptrend, this is a market that is moving upward. It is a clear uptrend. When I say a downtrend, this is a market that is moving, like it is just the opposite. It is a market that is moving downward. And when I say a consolidating market, it is a market that is moving sideways. It is neither moving up and it is not moving down, like it is not breaking zones. So we call it a consolidating market, where maybe the market moves to at the resistance, then it drops. When it gets to support, that it moves up. On a chart, this is what I mean. You see, let me use my biro. You see the way from here this market is moving. When you open the chart, you see this is an uptrend because the buyers are in control. When I say consolidation, this is the kind of market that I mean. This is what I mean. I don't know why this one is behaving. This is what I mean. A market that is ranging. Another name for consolidation is a ranging market. You see, this market is neither moving upward, it is neither breaking this zone, nor is it breaking this zone. So this is a consolidation market. And when you come to learn about the patterns, I'll teach you, like this is a pattern already itself. But for now, at least understand this is a consolidation market, a consolidating market. This is a clear uptrend, and this one is a downtrend. So after you understand that, now I want us to talk about, whenever you go to the forex market, you learn that every candle has a meaning and it has a name. But for an easy understanding, there are three characteristics of the candles in the forex market. At least understand that there are three characteristics. And the first characteristic of the candles, it shows momentum. When I say momentum, it can either be in form of buying or selling. It can be an uptrend market or a downtrend market. When I say bullish momentum candles, I mean the buyers are very much in control. And you see this candle, it is very big. This is a bullish candle because it has empowered this one. It has empowered the red candle. I don't know why I'm not concentrating. It has empowered this, and so this is a bullish candle. And mainly at this time, we say that the big banks are in control. That is the reason why you find this kind of candle, because it is a big one. So this is a bullish engulfing candle. When I say a bearish engulfing candle, this is an example. You see this red candle, it is so big. This is a bearish engulfing candle, and it shows that the sellers are in control. And whenever you open the chart again, you may want to know, why do we have these ticks, these lines in every candle? you will find that every candle has a body. This is the body. Now this green part, it is the body of the candle, and this small stick, it is called a wick. Don't call it a stick, it is called a wick. And the other part, it is called the lower wick. So this is the lower wick and this is the upper wick, and the middle part, it is called the body. So when I say bullish engulfing candle, I mean this candle has empowered the red one, so it is a bullish engulfing candle. When I say bearish engulfing candle, it is like this one. You see, the red candle has empowered the green one, so it is a bearish engulfing candle. But we learn these things as we go on. Now the next characteristics of the forex candles, the next characteristic of the candles, I'm shooting using my phone. So the next characteristic is a rejection candle. An example is a spinning top, and this market, you'll find them in a ranging market like I've shown you here. You see, this is a ranging market. Now you see the kind of candles that they're shown here. They're small, they're not that much big. And imagine I'm using the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour here. This is the 4-hour. So each and every candle here represent 4 hours of what the market was saying. So you see, this candle, they don't have momentum. That is why they are ranging here. As I've said, example is a spinning top like this one. They have long wick and a small body, and at least as rejection candle and decision candle, you can find them either in a ranging market or on a market that is at resistance or at a support. But with time, you'll get to understand those things. The last characteristic of the candle that is shown is the indecision candle, and this one they include the dodges and the cross. And again, you'll find that market where you'll find that market in a consolidating market, or a market that is at ranging, or it is a support. Now let me show you an example of a cross. This green one, you see this one, it is a cross, and it shows you neither the buyers nor the sellers they have power to move the market. So this is the kind of candle that you'll find. An example of a doji, it can be like this one. You see, this one can be a doji or a gravestone, but at least they have small body with long wick, and each and every candle, as I've said, it has a meaning and it tells a story. So those are the characteristics of the candle. At least now you have a basic understanding of what the candles in the chart they tells you. And there are so many candles. You see, there are so many. We have bullish engulfing candle, we have bearish engulfing candle, we have marubozu. Anytime I love marubozu because an example of a marubozu is like this one. It is a candle that does not have a wick. It is a candle, it can be in any color. Now let me feel for you. It can be in any color. I'm trying to feel this one. I'm trying to feel it. It can be in any color. It can be a red one or a green one, but this one, it does not have a wick. I've told you the wick, it is the upper or the lower. Now when you find this kind of candle, especially after you have analyzed, because just seeing the candle does not mean you'll buy or you'll sell. There are still factors to consider. Now when you find this candle, for example, if the market is on a clear downtrend and maybe it is on a clear resistance, now you want to sell and you encounter this kind of candle, it clearly shows you that the sellers, they're in control. Like they're not joking. You cannot try to buy that market, but that is after you have analyzed the market. And it can be in a green color. So at least there are so many types of candles. So in the next video, I want us to learn about the 10 best candles that I love, and at least have at least 3 best candles, 10 candles that you, anytime you can see them, you are comfortable and you know what to do. There are so many, but at least learn a few of them. So I hope you've learned something. At least you've moved a step forward. Now you have an understanding of what forex it is. Now in the next one, I've said I'll tell you about the 10 best candles that I've learned. So if you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe. let's get to 1,000 before the end of the year. And as I always say, there is nothing, like I always say, God is not like a man, and there's nothing new under the sun. I can wake up maybe tomorrow and I'll find myself maybe at 1,000, but there's no pressure. We will get there. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Until next time, bye bye.